When we're expecting a snowstorm, we do a couple things in the barn to make it easier on the horses. Right now they're getting their last evening outside. We actually had a beautiful day today, but they're going to be stuck in the barn for a few days, so I wanted them to have a chance to graze and spend time together. Cleaned all their stalls. Everybody gets extra hay to help keep them warm. Their water buckets are clean and fresh. Everything's ready for a few days trapped inside. It really is beautiful out tonight. It's not too cold, and the sun on the barn just looks gorgeous. Everyone is snug in their stalls tonight. They actually don't mind being snowed on too much, but I know the wind's going to pick up and that can make it hard on them, so they all get tucked in. Hey buddy. We had a little break in the weather, so I sent them outside to enjoy it. I expected them to run around a little bit, but they're a little boring today. Of course, Caesar has to stand in his hay. This is usually where the outdoor arena is, but I ripped the fence out in anticipation of our new indoor riding building. We're very excited. What you doing, Jack? The snow only comes into the barn in this one spot right here, and once we get enough of it, I'll shove it against that crack so it stops coming in. Pretty cozy.